We did not call for a saint. So, on my part, as a woman, catcalling is relative. Depende sa tao na masasaktan. And of course, we are not saying na everything that a person says is perfect or right. And for that, again, I ask, as women, let's have a forgiving heart.
And when we say extramarital affair, diba, the president is not married. No? So, kaya niyang gumawa ng mga ganitong remarks kasi, di ba? Hindi naman siya kasal eh.
Hindi po.
Ma'am, on my part, I cannot make any comment regarding that because you might think that I am biased considering that I already admitted earlier that I worked for the president when he was still a mayor. But this I can tell you. This I want you to know that beyond those utterances or what could have been a misinterpreted words from him is a helping hand, is a heart that cares. I should know this because I am a personal witness for almost, or let's say more than 10 years that he created. Imagine, it is only in Davao City that Mayor Rodrigo Duterte created a special council for violence against women and children. And me personally, I handled more than 300 abused women cases. And he does not tolerate any forms of abuses. So I cannot say na parang kung sasabihin niyo literal lang kung ano yung pinagsasabi ng mayor, I don't want to comment on that. But what I want to tell you is what he did in Davao City when he was still a mayor.
Okay, you can go to the seats of